In front of me is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and then click on Bluetooth section. Following that, if Bluetooth is not on, click on gray switcher next to it. Then wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Finally, click on Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, tap on this icon next to connected device and hit Unpair under device name. You can always connect to the same one by switching off Bluetooth, then activating it again, clicking on the same device and selecting pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!